Welcome students in maths classes. In this video I will solve question number 17 to 19 of exercise 2, page number 18. See, this is the relevant page of your maths book and this is page number 18. Today I am going to solve these three questions. These are related to addition and subtraction only. So 17th question, Ritu has rupees 575. Okay, means Ritu has some amount. Shweta has rupees 190 less than Ritu. Okay, if the rupee of the two is put together, it equals to Renu's rupee. How much rupee does Renu have? Now read the question very carefully, try to understand. So I am writing the basic information. Ritu has rupees 575 and Shweta has, so we write Ritu's amount. Okay, use some easier method. Ritu has rupees 575 and Shweta has rupees. It is given that Shweta has rupees 190 less. The meaning of less is you have to subtract. Okay, less का मतलब होता है कम, and so we have to subtract rupees 190 less. So it is equal to, you have to subtract, write the digits in columns, and Shweta has it is subtraction. So in this way you can write, means Shweta has rupees 190 less than Ritu has. So it is the case of subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5, 7 minus 9, not possible. Take borrow, it becomes 17. Now 17 minus 9 is 8 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So it is 385. It means Shweta has rupees 385. So you can write in a single line, means rupees 385 should be written in the front of Shweta has. Okay, and if the rupee of the two is put together means perform the addition, then it equals to Renu's rupee. It means Renu's rupee equals, now you have to add both the values. Which values? Ritu's amount and Shweta's amount. So Ritu's amount is rupees 575 and you have to add Shweta's amount, it is 385. So Renu's amount is equal to the sum of Ritu's amount plus Shweta's amount. Now perform the addition. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry, it is 8 plus 8, 16. 1 carry, this is 6 plus 3, 9. And it is rupees 960. So the answer is Renu has rupees 960. It is the question number 17 of exercise 2. So question number 17, it is rupees 960. Now students, pause the video or not. Next question is 18. Question number 18 is, Mr. Ajay went to market with rupees 525. Okay, suppose you are Mr. Ajay and your mother has given you rupees 525. He bought fish for rupees 150, oil for rupees 90 and vegetables for rupees 75. How much money was left with him? Listen, सपोज आपके पास कुछ अमाउंट है, आपने उसमें से कुछ चीज़ें मार्केट से परचेज की हैं, तो आपके पास कितना अमाउंट बचेगा? हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? मीन्स आप जितना भी अमाउंट आपने स्पेंड किया उसको आप ऐड करेंगे, देन टोटल अमाउंट में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो इन द सिमिलर वे वी विल सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. 18th क्वेश्चन. सो वी हैव टू राइट total amount spent. Okay, is rupees 150, rupees 90 and rupees 75. So find the sum of these. It is 5. Now 5 plus 9 14 and plus 7 21, 2 carry and 2 plus 1 3. Okay, so total amount spent by Ajay is rupees 315 and what is the amount left with him means उसके पास कितना अमाउंट, कितने रुपए बचेंगे. So we will perform subtraction and money left with him equals, now the total amount he had was rupees 525. So we write rupees 525 and perform the subtraction. Subtract 315 from 525. So it is 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 1 1 and 5 minus 3 2. Finally rupees 210 was left with Ajay. So it is the answer of question number 18, 210. Students, pause the video and note. It is the time to solve question number 19. 19th question is, a factory produced 6849 helicopters, okay, very big amount, in 2014 and 6574 helicopters in 2015. How many total helicopters did the factory produce in the 2 years? Means how many total helicopters did the factory produce? So you have to perform the addition. Now these steps are required, so focus at the board. Helicopters produced in 2014 equals 6849 and helicopters produced in 2015 6574. So total helicopters, okay, how many total helicopters? So total helicopters produced will be, perform the addition, okay, here perform addition. As you can see, 9 plus 4 is 13, 1 carry, 5 plus 7 12, 1 carry, 9 plus 5 14, 1 carry and it is 13. So total number of helicopters produced is 13,423. It is the answer of question number 19, that is 13,423. Okay students, I hope these questions are very easy because you have to perform only addition and subtraction, and I will give few questions in your assignment. So be sincere. Have a nice day.